Greetings, everyone. I did a very silly thing, and I bought the entire Why So Serious collection of these, like, Labubu dolls. I've never been a Labubu collector, but as soon as I saw they had, like, a clown series coming out, me being a clown that I am, I had to get them, and today we're going to be unboxing them. Now, this collection should come with the standard 8, but there is the potential to pull one of two secrets, I think, so I'm really excited. These just showed up today, and I'm going to share in this excitement with you. I have absolutely no idea what was in here, so let's go ahead and open them up. Yay! Now, obviously, the adult thing to do would be to unbox these in full clown gear, so that's what we're doing here today. Take a look. Oh my god. I am not good at unboxing videos by no means, but yeah, I'm pretty friggin' stoked to do this. I want so desperately to film in both my cute clown gloves, but it will not let me touch the camera with a glove on. So we're ditching one glove so that I got a hand free to film with. Yeah, that's what's gonna happen. But all right, are you guys ready? We're gonna do the first one. I am so freaking excited. Let's do it. Okay. Oh, I kind of want to keep the boxes nice, but same time, I'm like a little kid on Christmas right now, just ripping open my presents. And they come in like such a cute little bag. Oh my god. I can't contain my excitement. Okay. Oh, there's other things in here. Hold on. Okay, that's nothing, but there's like a cute little card. And ta-da! Okay, so we know who we're pulling out here. That's pretty fabulous. It's like an identification card. Ah, he's sick. Check it out. Look at his little nose. Ah! Oh my god. That's awesome. Okay. One down. 7 more to go. Okay. Number 2 inbound. Let's see. I don't know. Okay, sweet. This is who we're opening next. I was actually really excited for this one. He looked pretty darn cute online. They all did. I mean, that's why I bought the full set. I think I'm gonna do a little micro scream every time I pop one of these guys out. Look how cute he is. It's like giving Ronald McDonald vibes almost. I don't know. He's super cute. Number 3. What do you got for me? Let's find out. Spending my hard-earned adult money on Labubus. Yes, and no one can stop me. Nobody can say anything. No, that's the best part. Alright, here's this little card. I mean, this kind of gives it away, but... Are you freaking joking right now? No. What the hell? Ah! Okay, I just had a minor friggin' freak out there. A little bit of a breakdown because I was not I'm sorry. I was not expecting to pull the literal secret. The one. What the holy Oh my god, he's awesome! My husband is looking at me like I'm a maniac right now. Okay. What the hell? Number 3 was the one, y'all. Number 3 was the one. Okay, that's gonna take me a minute to come down from. What the hell? This is my first time buying Labubus, y'all, and I was not anticipating getting the secret, not to mention, like, the most hard to get secret. Are you kidding me right now? And there's still... I can't even count. There's still more! Okay, let's get it together. We gotta unbox the rest of them, right? Okay. I'm through the roof right now. I could die a happy clown. That's fantastic. That's chef's kiss quality, beautiful. Holy crap. Apologies for the language, but my goodness, that was awesome. Oh, I was really looking forward to this one too, though. He's so freaking cute. I can't wait to see what he looks like in person. Okay. Let's see what we got. Oh my god, look at his cute little face. Look at that face. Look at those overalls. My goodness, what a handsome gentleman he is. I kind of screwed up the box on that one, not gonna lie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is Mambo number 5. Let's see who we got hanging out in here, shall we? I have 10 minutes to do this. I've already done 6. That does not feel like 6 minutes, but what do I know? Alright. Where's your little tag, buddy? Oh! This guy's super cute, too. His fit kind of gives me Art the Clown vibes. He's bae. Let's see what he is all about. Adorbs. So freaking cute. Are you kidding me? See, this is the hype. Like I said, I've never been a Labubu person, but as soon as I saw they had like a clown series coming out, you bet your sweet mamas I had to get in on that. Number 6 is on the way. Let's see what we got, shall we? Struggling. Like I said, at first I was trying to be like all careful with the freaking boxes, and now I just am past the point of caring. I'm just so freaking hyped. So freaking hyped, y'all. Alright, who do we got? Cute. Cute, cute, cute. Let's see. Ah! Adorable as well. It's almost like a corduroy, the fabric. That is so cute. What kind of twins? This is number 7, and I'm running out of time, so I gotta be efficient. Here's who we got for numero 7. And we're gonna pull them out and take a peek. Well, bang! Adorable once again. Absolutely sensational. All right, y'all, this is it. Number 8. Because 8 is great, you know? I'm a pretty happy girl right now. And here we have it, folks. We got Molly. We got Molly. All right, let's see what she's all about. Super cute off the bat. I mean, every single one of these. I wasn't going to be disappointed, even if I didn't pull a rare one. But we did. We beat the odds. We got one of the secrets. The coolest secret, in my opinion. What the hell? But here she is, y'all. So stoked. These are going directly in my clown display. I will definitely post a photo after. Yeah, we got to. But thanks for joining me on this unboxing video. My fiance was awesome. He actually surprised me and had ordered some individuals, so they have not arrived yet. So we'll have to do a separate unboxing video for when those individuals show up and see if we have any luck maybe chasing down the other secret, right? So join me again when that goes down.